Hey everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video to show y'all how to replace an electrical outlet. I've got a 15 amp outlet here, over here, that it gets a lot of use, and I could put the tester on it and it does that, but it is just really hard to plug stuff in and out of. So what I'm going to show y'all today is how to replace it. First thing that you want to do is you want to check it for power with one of these. You want to put these in, and you want to put one here and one here. 117.2 volts. Kind of low, but it's not unusual. What we're going to do now, put this in. You see that? See this disconnect? You're going to pull that out. And you're going to put that, hold on to it. Put it in your pocket or something, so nobody's close it, so nobody can turn that on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my screwdriver here, my 11 in 1, and I'm going to unscrew my outlet. Okay. Now a lot of these receptacles should be grounded. It's a metal box. It should be grounded. Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, there's only a white and a black, and the ground is connected to the box. So this thing has got to be grounded. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a 3/8 or a 5/16 nut driver. I'm just going to see. Okay. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to install a grounding lead, because this receptacle needs to be grounded. It's code, and it needs to be done. So what I'm going to do, normally what I'll do is I'll take it and I'll put it so now I've got a grounding wire for the receptacle. Okay, and what I've got to do now is I've got to put one of these on it. Put it on there and crimp it. What do I do with those crimpers? Crimp it on there, and then take your grounding wire and put it ground screw there. Okay. Tighten it down. And now what you want to do now is you want to kind of tuck all your wires into the box like that, and then put your screws back in the box. And it can be kind of difficult to line your screws up, so because it's going to take a long time for me to do it, so I'm really not going to show you all in that video. But that's how you connect a ground wire receptacle. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day and a blessed Christmas. Bye.